Okay guys, so welcome back to a new episode. In this one we're covering everybody's favourite stock, GameStonk or GameStop, because GameStop is actually up today by about 19%, and actually that is quite a big increase, because when we do have a quick look over the past 5 days, you know, the stock has lost an insane amount of value. We're looking at a 79% decrease in value in the share's price, so today is actually bringing some decent results with that big increase, and the question is now a good entry point, or should you avoid this stock at all costs? Well guys, of course I am not a financial advisor, so this video is only for entertainment purposes. I do recommend that you do your own research, but tonight I'm giving all of my opinions, so if it sounds like a plan, if it's something that you might enjoy, please do leave a like and subscribe. It would go a mile and it will help us to grow the channel, so thank you for all the support so far. But with all that being said, let's jump straight in. So guys, yeah, GameStop over the past 5 days has been moving very much actually. Of course, we have had that news about restrictions being placed on this one. Now it has been, you know, said that a lot of these restrictions have been lifted, so now people can buy unlimited amounts of GameStop shares, and that is also kind of helping the price to go back up ever so slightly. I think this does still show a lot of optimism in the share price, because yes guys, we did see this one get boosted a lot by Wall Street bets. I think that's not necessarily a bad thing, but I definitely think it was the case that the stock price was going to come crashing. So of course, where we are now guys at $63, I think it is still a little bit high. I definitely still think it is a risky play, because it still does have room to fall in price dramatically, but obviously we are looking at a much better entry point than we were back at about $300-400 where we were previously, so I'm much more happy to enter this one now. But honestly guys, when it comes to this stock, I would definitely consider it a more risky play, as yes, there is still room for that big profit, but obviously there is also room for that big loss to come as well. So please make sure that you know yourself, make sure that you know what you're getting into when you are looking into this stock, because of course it does carry a large amount of risk with it. But yeah guys, with that being said, obviously GameStop over the past 5 days has seen a big sell-off. It is kind of ending now, and looking at today we are actually positive, and it does indicate some more good things coming into next week. So I definitely think we could see this one explode again next week, and it definitely depends on how people in the markets are feeling. If we've seen a lot of these retail investors continue to be resilient and seen it grow a bit more, I think we will see the price increase if people do still want to hold it. And obviously if people are kind of losing faith in it, if the hype has kind of gone away, we could also see this one decrease. But in my personal view, if I had to place a bet on it, I think it will be relatively flat. We could actually see a bit of a decrease, but on the other hand guys, I could be wrong, and we could actually see this one increase. So today is overall pretty positive. I think it does show good signs for the stock. We definitely could see a bit more of an increase coming, but I definitely think there is also room for the downside as well. So guys, when it comes to GameStop, now is not the worst entry point if you are willing to put a speculative play on it. But honestly guys, I would not be buying this one, as I just see it too high risk for the reward that you could potentially get, because yes, the reward is insane, but in my personal view the risk outweighs that, and for that reason I would not be buying GameStop. But obviously guys, as a current price, it definitely does still have some room to explode in the next week, and I would love to give an update when it does happen, or at least if it does happen, and of course just a general update on Monday to see what does happen with the stock. So if you do want to see that guys, please do tell me down in the comments. I would love to hear your opinions, and of course thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Goodbye from me.